Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to write a program using Microsoft Visual Basic 6 or sometimes called Classic Visual Basic to display even numbers from 1 to 20 using list box. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so I am here in Microsoft Visual Basic environment. I have a form. I wrote the title even numbers 1 to 20 using list box in Visual Basic 6, and then I draw a list box here. When I double click the form, we have here the code form load. Let us go to Notepad. So we have here private sub form load. Basically guys, now when we load this program, when we run the form, it will display a series of even numbers based on 1 to 20. So dim I as integer through the, loop through the list box even numbers in I will remove this one. Just a comment. So for I equals 1 to 20, if I mode 2, if it is true, list 1 add item, it will display the series of even numbers in the list box based on 1 to 20, and if next and sub. So let's go back to Microsoft Visual Basic 6. When I click the play button here, we have here the output, no? So from 1 to 20, the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.